Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video is gonna be how to make a YouTube banner like the one I did for Duke Dennis. If you guys do enjoy this video, if you do learn anything, please leave a like and subscribe, helps me out a lot. And yeah, let's get into it. The first thing I did was, let me hide all the layers real quick. Alright, so the first thing I did was I added a sky background. I just got off Google, because the reason I got a sky background is because I had an idea in my head to put them on a cloud, because the picture had a good lighting. It was just good lighting, that's literally it. Next thing, obviously I had to get a picture of Duke Dennis, so here it is. I used the website Adobe Spark to just remove the background, and I cut out his leg. Alright, so I had to fix that. I just got this tool, I think, or the pen tool. I just went like this, went like that. I did. That's all I did. I just put it on there. But the color was a bit off, so I had to add the curves, make it blend in a bit more. Obviously, it's not perfect, but like, it doesn't really matter because, boom. See, it like kind of covers it up a little bit. You can obviously still see that, but all right. So I forgot to mention what this cloud is. Hold on, let me get it. So I forgot to mention what this cloud is for. So basically what I did was, where is it? What? So I added a cloud, right? And then I duplicated it. Let me just show you guys what I did. So I duplicated it, put it up at the top, then alright, I'll fuck this up. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this, right? So you want to go down here, create a layer mask. I'm gonna grab a black brush, make sure it's soft, 0 hardness. You just want to erase it, right? Like this. It'll have to be perfect. Mine was kind of perfect, not gonna lie. So yeah, you just want to do that. No, I just go around, it's literally erasing, but yeah. And you want to add this onto it. I basically did it perfect, but that's no, it's like a little shit compared to this. And then once you do that, you want to Control J. I'm gonna bring it up above everything, and then where is it? Here. Then what you want to do is just get your brush again. You just want to erase it off, kind of like that. That's basically what I did. Probably confused you guys with that, I don't know, but yeah, just had a cloud. Not really noticeable, no one's going to really be zooming in, so yeah. Now the next thing is, it's literally just the text here. Duke Dennis, each side, Hanson bold, that's the font. Then added the social media icons, and that's literally it. That's the video done. See? No, I'm joking, but here we go. Brightness and contrast, put that on. Doesn't really do much. Change it by -1. Don't even know why I have it on, but I do. Right, so next thing, you want to just group them. If you don't know how to group, you just have to go, let me delete the group right here, ungroup layers. Alright, so you want to click on the top layer, go to the very bottom, scroll all the way down to the bottom, click on the bottom layer, Control G, Control J, Control E, Control A, Control J, and delete this. Now what you want to do is get the Gaussian blur. There we go. Boom. You want to put down lighting. Bring the fill down a bit, and yeah, that's basically it. Hold on, wait. Missed the part, I think. Yo. I forgot one part. The MP logo. So I put this behind them. Got the Gaussian blur. And 6.6. Then yeah, I just put behind them. Make it look like a cloud kind of. Gotta do something else, but I didn't know how to do it. So yeah, that works, I guess. I'm just gonna redo this. That's it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, if it did help you out, please help me out by leaving a like and subscribing. I might leave a PSD down below. I'm not sure. If you look down there and it's there, then I did. Alright, so that's it for today. Bye bye. See you later.
I just got $1 million bands today. About to go and spin a bag, blow them bands today. Yeah, about to spend 100 grand today. Lot of blue face, 100 is a blueberry parade. Yeah, shooting at the Hummer today. I'm in a bad mood, so I feel like dumping today. Yeah, bad move, I'ma dump at his face. Keep the toolie by my side, feel like ratchet and clay.